Hi, I'm Dr. Benford. I will be teaching you physical geology this summer as a fully online class over 6 weeks. So first I just want to tell you what is physical geology. A lot of times people think of geology as just rocks and minerals, and I hope that taking this class you'll see that there is actually a lot more going on with geology. We talk about the processes that occur on Earth. So why do we have volcanoes where we have them? Why do we have earthquakes where we have them? Um, and how are these things related? How has Earth changed through time? And just kind of how do we figure out the age of the Earth? Things like that. And so you'll develop a greater appreciation for Earth, is my hope. Um, so just as a warning for you as you enter this class, I hate to say that, but I just want to make sure that you're aware. So this is a regular course compressed to 6 weeks. So you're still expected to do all of the content that you would do in a regular 16-week class. And so that means, just to give you an example, a regular summer face to face class would meet for 4 days a week for 4.5 hours each day. So, not 18 hours spent on lecture and lab each week. And so, for you, just be aware that that's kind of what you're going to be taking on your own at home. Um, and that's not including the time spent reading the textbook and studying. So just make sure that as you are signed up for this class, that you truly are ready for the responsibilities that you'll be having. Um, so to give you an idea, each week we'll probably do about 2 to 3 chapters. And so that will mean maybe one chapter is due Monday, another chapter is due Wednesday, another chapter is due Friday. And so you can see that all in your syllabus. So make sure you look at your syllabus. What that entails is you will do a reading of the book, and you answer questions as you're reading it. I will post video lectures, but I strongly recommend you watch those so that you understand things as if you were going to class to go to lecture. If you take handwritten notes, you can actually submit those to a Dropbox for extra credit towards your quizzes that you'll have on each chapter. So each chapter will have 10 multiple choice questions. You only have 10 minutes to answer it, so you have to just kind of know what you're doing as you go in and take that. So it's not meant to be open notes or anything like that. So if you're prepared, 10 minutes is plenty of time. You will also have a lab for each chapter. And so that, is going to take you some time. Expect, labs are typically 3 hours long. So expect to spend about 3 hours on each chapter's lab. I will post introductory videos about the lab to kind of help you understand what's going on. There will be discussion boards where you can ask questions about the labs. So please do that because that helps you and it helps your classmates. I will do office hours as a WebEx so we can get together and talk. If you're struggling and you would really want to just talk to me about stuff, we can set up a WebEx meeting and we can talk face to face over the computer to kind of get you so that things are clearer. So that's the expectation for each week or each chapter. And so you will see for your labs, you'll need to print them off, and then you're going to complete the lab, and then you'll scan it in and submit it to a Dropbox. There's a great app called Cam Scanner that you can put on your phone, and it works just as well as a scanner, and so you can use that to make a PDF to submit. Please submit your lab as a PDF though, because then I can go in and write on it, and then you will get that feedback back. So make sure you read the feedback that I give you on the labs. Yeah, so that's it. So just to summarize, for each chapter, you have a reading to do that you answer questions as you go. You have a video lecture that you can watch. You have a lab to do, and then you have a quiz that you'll complete. And so those things exist. If you watch the video lecture and take good handwritten notes, you can get up to 2 points out of 10 added to your quiz. So if you're not great with the quizzes, this is a great way to do that. But those notes are due at the same time as when the quiz is due. All right, so hopefully that gives you some idea as to what to expect of the class. I'm hoping it goes really well. I think you can all do it. You just have to make sure you make the time for it, and you will do great.